Surface Technology specializes in electroless nickel plating as both a manufacturer of EN plating solutions and as a plating job shop. Our solar-powered, zero-discharge facility has been awarded top shop honors by Products Finishing Magazine 7 times. We are pleased to share the best practices from our top shop. In this video, we demonstrate the simple, easy and accurate way titrate an electroless nickel bath for nickel concentration. It is important to know the nickel concentration for optimal bath maintenance and performance. First, take a sample of the electroless nickel bath in a clean container. The bath should be well mixed. From the sample, use a pipette to measure out the exact amount of the bath needed for analysis. In this case, it is 10 milliliters as according to the datasheet for the one-plate 1001 medium phosphorus electroless nickel bath. Always look at the meniscus line in the pipette at eye level to ensure the exact amount. Then, drain the sample completely from the pipette into a clean 250 milliliter flask. Add 100 milliliters of deionized water and mix the flask gently. Next, add 10 milliliters of ammonium hydroxide to the flask. The EN bath and water in the flask should turn light blue in color. Add about 0.2 grams of murexide indicator powder to the flask. Gently mix the flask, and you will see the sample turn orange in color. You can use murexide powder or pre-made murexide tablets. Now you are ready to titrate the sample. Fill the burette with 0.0575 molar EDTA solution, or whatever concentration EDTA specified in the datasheet for the specific electroless nickel bath you are using. Slowly drip the EDTA solution from the burette into the flask while continually mixing the flask. Look for the color of the sample in the flask to change from orange to purple. Once the color of the sample changes and remains purple, close the valve on the burette to stop dripping the EDTA solution into the sample. At eye level, check the level of EDTA solution on the burette and use this number of milliliters in the formula on the datasheet to calculate the nickel concentration in the bath. The Surface Technology team hopes this video is helpful to your best practices of electroless nickel plating. For more information, please see the websites and YouTube channel addresses listed on the screen. By subscribing to this channel, you will be notified each time we launch additional videos. We also invite you to contact us for any additional assistance you would like regarding electroless nickel plating, single-component one-plate solutions, and composite electroless nickel with materials such as PTFE, diamond, silicon carbide, boron nitride, and more for advanced performance. In addition to the resources in our plating shop, manufacturing operations, and R&D laboratory, Surface Technology is supported worldwide by an outstanding network of distributors that can provide one-plate solutions, as well as other chemicals, equipment, and plating services. Our products are made by platers, for platers. Thank you.